Assalamualaikum class. Today our 8th lecture of Maths B, which is about the conversion of weeks and days. In this lecture we will discuss how can we convert days into weeks and days. As you know that weeks are the bigger and days are the smaller, because there are 7 days in a 1 week. For this, weeks are bigger and days are smaller. So we have to learn how can we convert the big unit of days and weeks. Now, to convert the days into weeks and days, we have to learn some conversions, which is 7 days is equal to 1 week, 14 days is equal to 2 weeks, 21 days is equal to 3 weeks, 28 days is equal to 4 weeks, 35 days is equal to 5 weeks, 42 days is equal to 6 weeks, 49 days is equal to 7 weeks, 56 days is equal to 8 weeks, 63 days is equal to 9 weeks, and 70 days is equal to 10 weeks. Students, you have to learn these conversions to solve the questions. Now let's move to the question, which is 58 days. We have to convert 58 days into weeks and days. For this, we have to follow some steps. First of all, we will put the solution and two equal signs in the vertical way. After that, we will read the table of 7 and see that is the 58 in the table of 7. So the answer is no. 58 is not in the table of 7. So we will use the smaller number from the 58. So 56 is the smaller from the 58. So we will put 56 days. After that, we will put the sign of addition. Now we have to do some rough work. First of all, we will write the question, which is 58, and after that we will write the number which is written on the first line, 56. So we will write 56 under the 58. We have to minus 58 and 56. 58 minus 56 is equal to 2. 58 minus 56 is equal to 2. So we will put 2 days after the sign of addition. Done, class? Now, as we have learned that 56 days is equal to 8 weeks, so we will put 8 weeks in the place of 56 days. Done. After that, we will put 2 days as it is. So 58 days is equal to 8 weeks and 2 days. Done, students? Now I have another example for you, which is 38 days. To convert the 38 days into weeks and days, we have to follow some steps. First of all, we will put solution and two equal signs in the vertical way. After that, we will read the table of 7 and see that is the 38 in the table of 7. So the answer is no. 38 is not in the table of 7. So we will use the smaller number which is used in the table of 7. So the smaller number is 35. 35 is the smaller than 38. So we will put 35 days. After that, we will put the sign of addition. Done, students? After that, we have to do some subtraction. First of all, we will write the given question, which is 38, and after that we will write the number which is written on the first line. The number is 35. So 38 minus 35. 38 minus 35 is equal to 3. 38 minus 35 is equal to 3. So we will put 3 days on this after the sign of addition. Done, students? Now, in the start of the lecture, we have already learned that 35 days is equal to 5 weeks. So 5 weeks, we will put 5 weeks in the place of 35 days. Done, students? After that, we will put 3 days as it is. So 38 days is equal to 5 weeks and 3 days. Done, students? I hope ये concept आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से clear हो गया होगा. Now I have some examples for you which you have to practice at your home, which is 45 days, 26 days, 30 days. Students, you have to solve these questions at your home on your rough copy. Now, I have some instructions for your parents. Number 1, remind them again and again the concept of weeks and days. Number 2, make sure your child understands how can we convert the units of weeks. Number 3, do more practice of conversions. Thank you so much. Fi Amanillah.